everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you two subscription boxes, one from Cloth&Paper and one from Simply Gilded. And I'm doing double because I'm pretty sure everyone already saw what's in it, and I just think it's gonna be a little bit of a time saver if I do it like this. So let's get into these. So we are going to start with the smaller items, and the first one is the Amalfi Coast square flags. So this is a beautiful greenish, bluish kind of tone, and these are just the 1.25 inches flags. I really am not sure how to use these, like probably on monthly layout, because I wouldn't be able to write a lot of things on these. Then you have the Amalfi Coast transparent circles, and it's the same color, of course, and it's just it's not actually a vellum, but it is the same of the page flags, and it is the same color as well. So then you have the tiny icons, which are first the December card, which I'm using the November now, and these are very handy, by the way. Then you have a quote card that says, "May your streets be paved with gold." Make it simple but significant. This is really nice. And you have the card for December, monthly card for December. Finally, you have that beautiful vellum sort of feel dashboard with December, and the quote is, amateurs sit and wait for inspiration. The rest of us just get up and go to work." Another dashboard, and it says, "Old ways won't open new doors," all across, and it's a big door. And I love that the texture, not the texture of the paper, but it looks like it's textured. It looks like it's handmade paper. It's not, but that's the print, the impression that the print gives you. Then you have one of those acetate or plastic dashboards, and I'm not sure there is plastic on the backing of this. I don't think there is, but it's just a geometric shape. And you have another dashboard that says digital declutter, with habits for you to do daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly, which is very handy. A yearly, for example, is delete unused accounts, change passwords, review permissions. So a few things that you can do, remind yourself to do every now and then. And you have the monthly insert or the weekly insert with the monthly pages on the front, and then you have your week on 2 pages with a notes page in the end. And this time around they didn't give the grid dot paper, they actually gave a reading log. So you have the title, the rating, author, date, and the progress, and also you can write down your review. So I might actually set up my gray personal mode term with things like this. So social media or reading logs or digital declutter, things like that that I might do every now and then, but it wouldn't be on a daily basis. It wouldn't need to be on my daily planner. And finally you have this beautiful monthly page. So you have Sunday start, unfortunately, but you have the whole week and the entire month in one page. And you can just leave this on your desk and rip out the page once you're done with it. I'm not sure how many pages there are, but it's a really nice notepad to keep on a working desk, for example. And that is the subscription from Cloth&Paper for the month of November. We'll see how the month of December is. Hopefully it will be very interesting so far. Things have been different for me, different from what I'm used to, but that's okay. And on to Simply Gilded. Alright, so this is the Simply Gilded, and we'll start with the journaling card, which is this adorable little circle with the bunny ears, a heart in the middle, and the leaf designs in gold foil. This is the vellum and acetate on this subscription. So you have this brownish color of vellum, and the back and forth are the same with all of the zodiac signs and moon phases and all of that. And here you have all of the zodiac signs in star alignments, and this is in hollow foil, I believe, unfortunately, because I don't like hollow foil, but that's okay. But yeah, it's really nice. I love this chocolate color. This is really, really beautiful. I'll show you the pen. So the pen is this dark chocolate again with the brown background and the gold foil butterflies. It's really, really nice. And you also got a Sakura micro pen in 0.1 this time around, which helps writing down on her stickers, as well as page flags, vellum, sticky notes, and all of that. So that is a very good add-on to the subscription. And it's a very, very good pen. I always have one nearby. Next thing in the box is the journaling, sorry, not the journaling card, the notebook, the basic size notebook. This is a stitched notebook, and I believe this is just a blank one this time around, but the design is the same one that you've seen on the outside of the box. This design, and the back only have the word dream with the 2 butterflies, again on that dark chocolate color that you chose for this box. And this is the sticker kit, so you get a sticker kit in every box. And this time we have this beautiful shiny pink hollow thingy. It's a really different foil to describe. You have the scripts, which are home, work and play. You have the heart icons, the date dots or date hearts, as well as some icons. This is the smaller sheet of the kit with some deco, checklist, quarter boxes, and 1 full box. This is one of the pages of the kit, so you have all of your headers, date covers, 3 full boxes, circled icons, labels, checklists, and some bows. The second page is more full boxes, icon flags, deco, washi strips, more deco, and some headers. And you also have your bow seals with, again, the same design of the box in 3 different colorways. The next thing is the pack of die cuts, and the backing of the card is just beautiful. And you have the little bunny and the moon, and this is our sticker die cuts, so to speak. So you can use deco or Bujo spread, for example. The beautiful butterfly in lilac, the butterfly in the chocolate brown, chocolate purplish, the little Sailor Moon cat, which is my favorite, and the crystal in hollow foil. Then you have a very new item, which is sticky vellum sticky notes, and I think these are absolutely beautiful. So yeah, that way. They are really, really nice, and I love that she included the Sakura pen, because with that, with this pen, you can write on these sticky notes. So you don't have to go buy another pen just to write on these sticky notes. So that was really nice. And then we have the pouch. Pouch is a dark brown chocolatey kind of color, and the interior you have a division, a partition here, which is really cool. And I don't know if it comes out. No, it doesn't. It's attached. So you have a pouch with a division and gold foil with a clasp here for a charm or a crossbody kind of situation. And it's in a shimmery color, it's not matte, which is the only thing that I'm not super keen on. I don't like anything this shiny, at least not in this kind of product. Finally, we have the washi tape, but before I open the washi tape and show you, I want to show the little plastic bag that comes with the washi tape, which I think it's amazing. And if you can see, these are the constellations, the same constellations from the vellum, but on this little bag. So I think this is an excellent idea, and it makes the pouch super special. I really, really like this. Actually, I'm thinking on cutting this up, laminate it, and make a dashboard instead of using the acetate. Because again, this is white and not hollow foil, so I much rather this one. So I might do a project with that. And finally, you have the beautiful washi. So Irene has a line on her washi tapes, which are called the Constellation. So we are on the Constellation 17.0 or something crazy like that. And this sub box have one of the constellations. So it's always a bow, the stars with the heart, the actual constellation washi, and the moons. And this color palette is just everything. You also receive the butterflies in 15 millimeters and a 5 millimeter the moon phases with hollow foil. Actually, it's not hollow foil, it's that pinkish foil, the same foil from the stickers. And this is the 5 millimeters add-on with the bow in chocolate, the stars in this cream color, stars in heart, stars in the blue background, and the moons in the gray background, all gold foil. And I will swatch these in a minute for you, but first of all I want to show the mystery item, and I love the mystery item this time. It is a tiny little pin. It's a moon with the little Simply Gilded bow on top, so I'm really, really happy with this. But let me open these guys, swatch them out, and show you in detail. Alright, so the first pair that I want to show is the little moon 5 millimeters, and this is a perforated washi. So I'm just gonna put that here. So I don't know if the foil will show, the pink foil, but that is quite pretty actually. And then I'm gonna roll out the butterfly. So that is the butterfly washi. And I'm gonna show you the add-on first as well. Again, I'm leaving the best, in my opinion, to last, because I really, really like how that constellation looks, and I really want to enjoy swatching it. So that's the brown. And as you can see, I don't really do swatches. They definitely don't look professional or anything like that, but I just like doing it. I just enjoy doing however I feel like at the time. And the blue and the gold here is really, really pretty, to be honest. I'm not sure how much use I would get out of that washi, or out of the moon. The moon probably would use a little bit more than that deep blue, but just because I don't do a lot of deep blue colors or combinations in my planning at all, maybe it's the time to start and actually use some washi like that, something different. So this is the add-on washi. So you have the chocolate with the bows, the cream color with the stars and hearts, the moon, the gray moon with gold foil, and the dark blue background foil with the stars. And I think everything matches so beautifully. And of course, the star of the show, which is the constellation, and I'm gonna give them a full different page on my swatch book. And I started this swatch book today. Just saying. Oh, that is so good. This is more of a peach color, but with less orange, I would expect, than the usual peaches that she makes. But it's beautiful, just the same, and in combination with all of the other washi, it's just amazing. This one has to be one of my favorites. This constellation definitely is my favorite from all of the ones that she released so far. That swoosh effect, that background is just so precious. I absolutely love it. And the bow, again, a very neutral background and sort of a really painted background. That's what Irene does so well. It's paint the background of her washi. It's just so beautiful. And finally you have the hearts and stars in 10 millimeters. And the dark gray just makes it pop so well. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm so happy with this. I really, really love this subscription box this month. It's beautiful. But that's it. That is the Simply Gilded subscription, and I have to say she did an amazing job on this one. That constellation is everything. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so YouTube lets you know when I upload a new video. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and love you lotos. Bye!